In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wells Fargo Bill Pay step by step. This guide will take you through an effortless setup process on your mobile app to ensure you can manage your bills with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Wells Fargo mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure to head over to your device's app store and do so. Once it's installed, log in using your credentials. It's always a good idea to keep your login details secure, so consider using a strong, unique password to protect your account. Now, after you're logged in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Pay and Transfer option. This will direct you to a menu where you manage your payments. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making navigating through your options a breeze. Once in the Pay and Transfer section, you will see a choice labeled Bill Pay. Select it. This is where you will set up the payment details for your billing accounts. Bill Pay is a convenient feature that lets you manage various payments from one place, ensuring timeliness and accuracy without the headache of manual tracking. The next step involves adding a payee. This is the person or company you wish to send payments to, like your utility provider, phone service, or any other regular biller. Tap Add a Payee and get ready to fill in the necessary details. When you're inputting the payee details, make sure you have your bill handy. You will need specifics, such as the payee's name, address, and account number. Carefully verify this information before proceeding to the next step. Accuracy is crucial here because incorrect details could potentially lead to failed payments or delayed services. After entering the payee information, you can set up your payment instructions. Decide on how much you would like to pay and set a payment schedule that suits you, be it a one-time payment or a recurring one. This flexibility in scheduling helps tremendously in managing cash flow and ensuring that no payment deadline is missed. Finally, before you wrap up, you'll want to confirm all the details you've entered and save them. Double-check everything, your payee info, the payment amount, and the schedule. Once you're certain everything is accurate, hit confirm. Your payment details are now securely saved in the app. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Bill Pay with Wells Fargo. Keep in mind, managing your bills through this method not only saves time, but also adds a layer of financial organization to your life. Don't forget to keep the app updated for smooth functioning and access to the latest features. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this information helpful for managing your bills effortlessly.